Everyone, I continue my amazing journey to Egypt and the Red Sea and kite surfing. I've had just a fabulous time with great wind, but the wind is not always blowing in the Red Sea. Occasionally it dies down, and when it dies down, you got to find something else to do because we can't always enjoy all that air time. So I thought scuba diving. I've always heard scuba diving in the Red Sea is like one of the best places in the world, and indeed, it lived up to its reputation. The water is crystal clear and pretty warm. I was wearing about a 3 mil wetsuit, went down, and boy, was it beautiful. And I saw some things I've never seen before. I saw some coral reefs that I've never really witnessed. They kind of look like grape leaves and lots of fish. And it was just absolutely beautiful, perfect conditions. Only went down to about 15 meters on 2 different dives. Just had a great time on the boat that I went out on, and it was just beautiful. A lot of fun people. We had about 30 people on the boat, and we saw a lot of great things. And this coral reef that we went over the top of was absolutely beautiful. Look at these grape leaves. It almost looks like they're grapes. I've never seen anything like this before, but I had a great time. Highly recommend the Red Sea for both scuba diving and kite surfing. You are going to love it.